finally replacing my Frigidaire water filter with a brand new Frigidaire water filter. This is the Frigidaire PureSource water filter for ice and refrigeration. As you can see right now, this filter light is red and it barely runs, so it's not working very well. So we're gonna replace this. All right, I've located where I'm gonna put this. This is the new one. Got these two little things right here I'm gonna have to pull off. So pull this off and this cap off. And then I'm just gonna put this Frigidaire genuine water filter, ice and water filtration thingy in my refrigerator. Push it in until it clicks. There we go. And that is installed. You're gonna run about 1.5 gallons of water through here to prime it. So right now it's just going through all the line, clearing out the line. And that's how this thing works. You want to dump your ice as well so that you have fresh ice. Again, that's the Frigidaire PureSource2 water and ice refrigeration system. This is the WF2CB model.